I packed my bags and went back to Nigeria after 2 years of living in the UK. Welcome to my japada vlog. Hello, Naija. I'm flying to Nigeria tonight after 2 years of living in the UK. I'm super excited. I know my excitement isn't showing, but my heart is full. I'm so excited. I'm all dressed up, ready to go to the airport. So come with me, let's fly to Nigeria. See you guys at the airport. I know a lot of people will be wondering why I made such a decision, but hear me out. Watch the video to the end and you'd see why I made my decision to pack my bags and go back to Nigeria, or japada as Nigerians would call it. No matter where you go, home would always be home, and even if you're not there physically, your heart will always be there. If you're watching this video, then I'm already in Nigeria, and have I made the right decision? Yes, absolutely. I made the right decision. I am where I'm supposed to be at the right time, doing what I'm supposed to be doing at the right time. Someone said the UK isn't for everyone, which is very true, because relocation generally is a big decision. Waking up, selling off your things, packing your bags, and deciding to go and start up in a different country, that's a big decision. I'm sure you're dying to ask if I regret living in the UK. The answer would be a big no, because I love living in the UK. I enjoy living in the UK. The UK has shaped me, has molded me, has taught me so much. With the knowledge I have gathered and ideas I have gathered the past 2 years of living in the UK, I am very sure I would survive anywhere. So I have really thought about this, spoken to my family and my friends about this, and yeah, at this time I am making the right decision. Will this be a permanent move or a temporary move? I'm not sure yet, but we will find out together. So we're flying from Manchester Airport to London Heathrow, and from London Heathrow we're flying directly to Nigeria. This trip was exciting because for over 2 years I haven't left the UK. I have stayed in the UK, traveled within the UK, but I haven't gone anywhere. Hopefully that changes soon, because I plan to travel more in 2025. So help me God. We've checked in and gone through security, and we're just heading to board. To follow my exciting move, you want to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you stay up to date with all my videos. Don't forget to like this video too. For the past 2 years, the UK has been home for me, and it's been nothing but pure bliss, even though it wasn't very easy at the beginning of this journey. But in life, the only constant thing is change. Things always change. Nothing remains the same forever. So it's time for a change. And when it's time for a change, you definitely know. Right now, it's time for me to go to Nigeria, and that's why I'm making this move. Finally, we were boarding to fly to London, and this is my favorite part of traveling, when we start boarding, because that's when you know this is actually happening. Like, I'm actually traveling, I'm actually leaving this place. Traveling is so refreshing and educating. I was a bit anxious about flying to London Heathrow because it's the biggest airport in the UK, and surprisingly we were able to find our way around the airport. I thought we were going to get lost, but surprisingly we didn't even miss our way. As soon as we landed, we used a bus to get into the building, and from the building we had to catch a train. We caught a train to get to our gate. So that's how massive the airport is. Now I can confidently go to London Heathrow Airport and not get lost. Most of the luxury brands have their stores in the airport, like Dior, Chanel, Dior. I've said Dior. Anyway, I took some nice pictures there. After traveling around Heathrow Airport, we were finally boarding, and yeah, we'll be in Nigeria in less than 6 hours.
Hello, Naija.
I have waited so long to say those words. So, hello, Niger. It's time to get some warm air, some sunlight, and to eat some fresh food. And most importantly, it's time to reunite with family because I have really missed my family and my friends. We got to Nigeria very early in the morning before 6 a.m. And at that point, I was like the happiest person on earth. I was so excited. I was very, very happy because I don't know, I can't explain it. You have to feel it to understand. I'm sure you can tell from what I was doing that I was super excited. We were just heading to immigration and security, then from there to get our bags and finally head home. The way I was smiling so much, it felt like I won a lottery. I was just super excited. If you've watched this video to this point, I just want to say a very big thank you. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it because without you guys, we are creating for nothing. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel. You can also share this video to your family and your friends who you think might enjoy it, because doing all of these is absolutely free. Now, who can guess which city in Nigeria this is? Let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe and turn your notification bells on for more updates from my move and on my channel. And I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. See you later, guys.